about? Oh, hi! Good girl. Rosie. Dream. Hey, Dream girl. Captain. You're so smart.
I'm gonna curry comb you. You can't have the lettuce.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead.
I want to meet your baby. Here she is. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Hello. Oh my God.
Oh.
We've been waiting for you. We've been waiting all this time for you. While Jay and I were in Colorado rescuing our horse Marley, we had new staff that knew that they were supposed to collect the eggs, but didn't think to look underneath our turkey Brave. And by the time we got back, and found out that Brave was sitting on an egg, it had been too long and it was no longer humane to take that egg away from her. Today, that egg hatched and out came a perfect little baby turkey. We have a very strict no breeding policy here at the Gentle Barn, but this time, because we're away and because there was a new staff that didn't know to look underneath her, we have a new baby. And I think everything happens for a reason. And I think this is a very magical opportunity to show the world who turkeys are when they're born in sanctuary. This little baby will be raised with a mom, with love, respect, dignity, fresh water, great food, privacy while she's young, and lots of friends and activity when she's older. Whereas on the other side of things, we rescue turkeys from Thanksgiving, and they didn't have any of the things this baby will have. They grew up with fear and seeing the worst of humanity, and we have to work long and hard with meditation, reading out loud, singing to them, energy healing, lots of enrichment, lots of vet care, to resuscitate those turkeys out of the slaughterhouse, to show them kindness and love. So this season, we're gonna get that contrast, and hopefully, while telling both those stories simultaneously, it will open all our hearts to who these birds really are.
Stella, that's a perfect name for you.
Can we name you Stella? Hi, beautiful, beautiful Stella.
Stella.
Hi. Stella was the first turkey ever born at our sanctuary. This is her at only a week old. We've had the privilege of watching her grow these past 3 months, something most people rarely get to experience, especially with turkeys. There are instincts that Stella was born with, like eating, drinking, roosting, staying warm under her mother's wings, and even dust bathing. But there's other things that she had to learn from her mom, like laying down in the sun, which foods are okay to eat, and even if it was safe to approach us. This perfect baby will stay in sanctuary for the rest of her life. Normally, turkeys are slaughtered at only a few months old. They never know their moms. They're hatched in incubators and raised in giant warehouses where their feet never touch the ground and their heads never feel the sun. At the Gentle Barn, Stella will always be honored, treasured, and celebrated for her life, for her spirit, and for her beautiful joy that she brings to all of us.
Always on my mind and way out of my league. You were born to be on this.
I don't know what's wrong, but my cow keeps crying. What's wrong, Faith? Why do you keep crying? Can you not find your ball? When Faith can't find her ball, she cries. I don't know where her ball is. Where's her ball, everybody? I'm gonna find it, Faith. Oh my God, where is it? Honestly, don't know where it is. Maybe it's in the barn. Okay, Faith, I'm gonna find it for you. Where's her ball? Oh, there it is. She thinks this ball is her baby, and when she can't find it, she gets very, very upset and cries for it. Let's give it back to her. Here, Faith. Here's your ball. There. Is that much better, darling? She loves that ball. You happy now, Faith?
That's crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
The majority of the horses that come into the gentle barn come in repressed, shut down, and angry, because mostly they've been treated like an object. And so our job is to show them that they are not an object and that we're here to serve them. And that's where the curry comb comes in. Not only do we use grooming and brushing as a way of cleaning them, but more importantly, as a way of communicating with them. And instead of it being her standing still and me grooming her, this is a conversation. Bonnie, I'm gonna brush you. There are 5 words, if you will, that she's gonna use to communicate with me. She's gonna use her lips and chin to relay pleasure. If she doesn't like something, she's gonna put her ears back. She's gonna step forward to put my hands back, or she's gonna step back to put my hands forward. If she's trying to tell me there's a really good itch spot, but I'm not quite there, she's gonna turn around and look at me. And when I've spent time in a really good itch spot and she's done, she's gonna lick and chew and dismiss me. So when I get to a really good spot and she's telling me that feels really good, I'm gonna stay here. And I'm gonna stay here until she lets me go. Okay, that's licking and chewing. So she dismissed me from that spot, so now I'm looking for the next one. I'm sorry, I'm trying. There it is. I found it. Once the curry comb is over and all that dirt and dead hair has come to the surface, I brush it away with this soft brush. After the soft brush, then we brush the mane and tail. And I don't just brush from the top because I'll rip her hair out. One of the most important things of grooming a horse, aside from communicating, is picking their hooves. You don't want anything getting stuck in the grooves in their hooves. It can cause bruising, lameness, infections that has to be kept clean. And then I'm not gonna just drop her hoof, I'm gonna put it down gently. In the summer when there's flies, we always finish the grooming session with fly spraying her to make sure that the flies are not biting her when she's out in pasture. We put her fly mask on and it protects her eyes from the flies and from the glare of the sun, and she can see through it. It's like wearing sunglasses. And then I bring her out to pasture so she can socialize with her friends, rest in the sun, meditate in the shade, and have her very best life. Have a good day, Bonnie, I love you.
Oddly, Saw 3, like the movie. Tawdry, Audrey. Oh my goodness, honey, you are the smartest cow in the whole world. I love
What's wrong, but my cow keeps crying. What's wrong, Faith? Why do you keep crying? Can you not find your ball? When Faith can't find her ball, she cries. I don't know where her ball is. Where's her ball, everybody? I'm gonna find it, Faith. Oh my God, where is it? Honestly, don't know where it is. Maybe it's in the barn. Okay, Faith, I'm gonna find it for you. There's her ball. She's Oh, there it is. She thinks this ball is her baby, and when she can't find it, she gets very, very upset and cries for it. Let's give it back to her. Here, Faith. Here's your ball. There. Is that much better, darling? She loves that ball. You happy now, Faith?
That's crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
When I was 7 years old, I dreamed of having a place where I could care for animals who no one else wanted. And over 2 decades ago, that dream became a reality. Welcome to the Gentle Barn. We are a nonprofit animal sanctuary with over 200 animals across 3 sanctuary locations: Los Angeles, California, Nashville, Tennessee, and St. Louis, Missouri. For more than 2 decades now, along with my husband Jay and an incredible team of staff and volunteers, we've been rescuing animals who are too old, sick, scared, or lame to be adoptable. We give them sanctuary for the rest of their lives, rehabilitate them, and when they're ready, we partner with them to heal people who've experienced the same stories of neglect, abuse, and trauma. We care for a wide variety of animals, from cows to pigs, to goats, to horses, to turkeys, and even emus. Each of these animals have a story to share, and those stories help mend the hearts of those going through similar situations and open people's eyes to the love and companionship that farmed animals have to give. We are open to visitors, and we hope you'll come to meet our animals for yourself. Visit gentlebarn.org to learn more.
Happy birthday to you.
You're perfect. Welcome to your home. Goodness. Oh, whoa. Brew, Houdini. Hey, boys. Audrey, I love you.
sight, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us great.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night.
Do you need some help? You need some help? You ready to go?
Oh, you like it?
Happy anniversary! You gonna share? Oh my goodness!
Are you running?
rooted in injustice. Dead.
Rue, Houdini. Hey, boys. Hazel. Wow. Rosie. Chica. Hi. Neptune. Story. Hey, girl. Baron. Baron Von Goat. Hey there. Nigel. Hey, bud. Remy. What? You're not Remy. Johnny. Hello. Hazel. Hey, Hazel.
My name's Addison, and today my mom is taking me on a special field trip. Where I live, I usually hang out with the donkeys and horses, but I always knew I would be really good friends with the other animals here. We went to the cows first, which is where I met Madonna. We were getting to know each other with some long-distance sniffies when Holy Cow came up to the fence, and I was so excited to say hi. Then, a third cow, Athena, came up, and she really wanted to meet me, but I got a little nervous, and I was like, can we go now?
Sorry, Athena.
So we kept walking until we got to the upper barnyard, and boy was I happy to be here. She took off my lead, and I was like, I can go anywhere? Are you serious? You guys don't understand. In the upper barnyard, there are llamas, goats, chickens, sheep, and so many others. But my favorite residents here are the pigs. I love pigs so much I wanted to talk to them all. They were resting when I walked up, but I still took my chances to say hi because I've always wanted to be friends with them. Best day ever.
Jay-Z. Patrick Swayze. Scorsese. Maisie. Jay-Z.
Oh my goodness! Hi, beautiful! You brought all your friends too! You brought all your friends!
awake. Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We got it. We don't need no more.
Thought you'd be the one for me. Won't
So yummy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Jelly Bean. Happy birthday.
He needs love and affection like any other animal.
Today we're gonna take Nigel to Starbucks to get him a little treat. Nigel, you ready to go to Starbucks? Yeah?
We're going to be ready to get here at Starbucks. So can we get started for you?
We have our rooster with us, so
You have a rooster with you in the car?
we do. He's right here and he's ready to order.
Do you really have a rooster in the car?
I'm so serious. His name is Nigel.
Nigel the rooster's coming to the window. We're all going to see this rooster.
Okay, perfect. I'm thinking instead of a pup cup, could you do like a cluck cup? So it could be
cluck
like
cup.
a little cup
Yeah.
of berries, maybe.
For sure.
That's great.
What do you think, Nigel? Are you excited?
Can I take a picture of your
You can. His name is Nigel. He's a rescue chicken.
Can I take a picture too?
Absolutely.
Give Nigel the cluck cup.
He's very excited. It's his first trip to Starbucks.
Oh my god, hi Nigel. Alright, we have berries.
Have a good day. Okay, Nigel, you get your very first Starbucks cluck cup. Oh, you like it?
is turning 8.
Amazing.